Good morning, dear students. Children, when we are very small, then our parents tell us to do this thing and that thing, and they keep on reminding us to do those things again and again. And for this reason, sometimes we get irritated. This is called nagging. They nag us. Even when I was young and my parents also used to do the same thing, I also used to feel very, very bad about this. I used to get annoyed. Why have they to remind us? Because when we are small, we tend to forget things. So today we are going to do one such poem, and the name of the poem is Chivi by Michael Rosen. Ask yourself as well as your partner, do you like to be always told what to do or not to do? Means have the people to remind us what we have to do and what we are not have to do. We are now grown-ups. Nobody has the right to remind us continuously. Now see the example. The poet himself has taken his example. When he was 5 years old, his mother took him to a nearby school for admission. The teacher asked, "What does your mother call you at home, child?" And see his confident reply. He said, "Michael, don't." Michael, don't means, Michael, don't do that and don't do this. So Chivi means to nag, to continuously urge someone to do something, often in an annoying way, according to the dictionary. Now I am going to read the poem in front of you, how to speak those words. So learn the pronunciation also. Grown-ups say things like, speak up. Speak up. When the child doesn't speak, he feels hesitant. So the grown-ups, they say, speak up. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't stare. Don't point. Don't pick your nose. Sit up. Say please. Less noise. Shut the door behind you. Don't drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? Take your hands out of your pocket. And this and that. Pull your socks up. Stand up straight. Say thank you. Don't interrupt. No one thinks you are funny. Take your elbows off the table. Can't you make your own mind up about anything? This is a sarcastic remark from the parent side. When they say, can't you make your own mind up about anything, means can't you think of doing that work? Instead of they telling us to do, can't we think that we have to do that work? Yes, definitely. So we should not give a chance to our parents to nag us time and again, because we will feel very annoyed and irritated. Now, this is a very small poem. I hope you have understood. And the theme of this poem is, it is about the instructions that elders keep on giving to children. Because children are not capable of making up their minds, and so elders have to keep on reminding them all the time. And that is why we as children, we feel very annoying from the parent side. We feel very bad when they keep on telling us. So we must avoid all these nags. How can we avoid these nags, children? By obeying our parents once only. When they tell us to do that thing, we should immediately go and do it. Otherwise, when we say, okay, I'll do it after 1 minute, after 5 minutes, after 1 hour, after 2 days, then the work is going to compile. It is going to pile up. And you have to do a lot of work then. So it is better to do what you are going to do tomorrow, do it today. And what you are going to do today is to do it at that particular moment. Hope you have understood the poem. Thank you and have a nice day.